Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys a really super quick on the go wig to wear. So this wig is a glueless wig, and as you can see I can literally just pop it on my head and go on about my business. But I'm going to show you how to make your glueless wig look, you know, good, so it looks like it's melted. And we're not going to be using any glue whatsoever. It is beginner friendly. The wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it's from Wiggins Hair, and I have worn their hair in the past. Now this is what the wig looks like straight out the box. It is pre-bleach, pre-plucked, so I literally don't have to do anything to it, and it's HD lace 5x5 closure wig. So this is a closure and you can wear it glueless. It is not a full on 13x4, it's 5x5 lace. So this is what it looks like, and it has the combs in the back, and that's what I use to secure the wig in the back. And you also get 2 HD wig caps as well, along with a satin bag to store your wigs in. So this is pretty much everything you need to install the wig. You also get a melting band as well. Now this is what a wig looks like in the back. It has the adjustment strap. That's what's going to keep the wig secure in place, that you do not have to use any glue whatsoever with it. So I'm just going to put the adjustment straps on, and it's pretty stretchy. You can adjust it to your own liking as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and pop that on. I have my wig cap on, as you can see, and I'm going to turn around so you guys can see how it looks from the back. So I put the comb into the back of the nape area, and this is how it looks in the back. A lot of you guys always ask me what the back looks like. Well, that's pretty much it. There's nothing to it because there's no lace in the back, so you don't really have to do much in the back. And as far as the hairline go, it does look pretty good. It's already pre-bleach and pre-plucked, so I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb and just comb it as well. Now if you are a beginner, I do recommend doing a closure before doing a actual frontal wig, because this is easier to wear. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my eyebrow razor to cut away the extra lace that I don't need, and then go in with my scissors to get closer. So this is how it's looking. It looks nice and clean. Now I like to take out some of the hair in the front just to make the hairline a little bit more for my liking. All right, so this is pretty much how it's looking right now. This is what it looks like glueless. I could tweeze it a bit more if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. I wanted it to be beginner friendly. Now I'm going to go in with my sticky little secret melting spray. This is a melting spray. It is not a glue, so it's just going to give my wig a flawless and seamless finish. It does have a little bit of hold, but it's not going to be like I can go to the gym and, you know, work out, because I'm probably going to sweat this off if I do that. So this is not a glue, and I just apply to the hairline, and I'm going to go ahead and use my brush and just melt that down using my blow dryer on the cool setting. And as for the wig that I'm wearing, this is a deep wave curl, and it is about 24 inches. All the hair info will be listed in the description box down below. Now I'm going to go in with my melting band, and I'm going to leave this on for about 10 minutes. Now what I like about this wig is I like the fact that it is beginner friendly. I don't have to do anything to it, and this is how these companies have been making their wigs recently, because I have worn Wiggins in the past, but they were not like this before. Now it's pre-plucked, pre-bleach, and I don't have to do anything to make it look good. If you guys have been watching me for a long time, you know usually I would have to bleach it and customize and do all that stuff myself, but with this wig I didn't have to do that. And I'm just gonna go in with this curling one. I know she's a little raggedy. It's okay, I've had her for a minute and it just won't stay on unless I tape it, so I don't know. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and drop some curls in the front, because the whole wig is curly, but I want the curls to be a little bit more defined in the front, because they kind of got loose when I was messing around with the wig. But I will say that this is curly hair, and with curly hair there is minimal shedding with every curly hair. I've never had a curly hair that didn't shed just a little, so it's not a lot of shedding, but it's definitely minimal. But yeah, this is pretty much how it's looking. This is the end result. It literally took me like, honestly, it took me like 10 minutes to put this on, but because I'm filming, if I wasn't filming, this would literally be a 5-minute install. So yeah, this is definitely lazy girl friendly, beginner friendly. You don't have to do a whole lot to make it look good, and I really hope this video was helpful to you guys, and I hope you learned something from this video. So yeah, this is pretty much how it is looking in the back. She's given inches, and I'm here for it. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in another video very, very soon. Thank you. Bye.